morning students, 10th standard maths. Now I am going to assignment for matrices sums exercise 3.16 to 3.18. So 3.18 12th and 13th sum only. So complete for 3.16 and 3.17 sums fully. Okay, first one, do the following sums. First question, if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 6 elements? Next one is the second question. If A equal to, within bracket, first element 5, 4, 3, 1, minus 7, 9, 3, 8, 2, close the bracket. Then find the transpose of A. The third question, construct a 3 by 3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to I square j square. Fourth question, find the values of x, y and z from the following equation. Within bracket, first row element x plus y 2, second row 5 plus z x y, close the bracket, equal to first row 6, 2, 5, 8, close the bracket. Fifth one, find the value of a, b, c from the equation. Within bracket, a minus b, 2a plus c, second row 2a minus b, 3c plus d equal to, within bracket, 1, 5, 0, 2. Next one is a sixth question. If a equal to, within bracket, 5, 2, 2, second row, minus root 17, 0.7, 5 by 2, third row element 8, 3, 1, close the bracket, then verify. Within bracket, A transpose of transpose equal to A. And then seventh question, if A equal to 1, 3, minus 2, 5, minus 4, 6, minus 3, 2, 9, close the bracket, B equal to 1, 8, 3, 4, 9, 6, find A plus B. Eighth question, find x and y if x plus y equal to 7, 0, 3, 5 and x minus y equal to 3, 0, 0, 4. The ninth question, if A equal to, within bracket, 0, 4, 9, second row 8, 3, 7, then B equal to, first row 7, 3, 8, second row 1, 4, 9, find the value of 3A minus 9B. The next one is a 10th question. Solve for x comma y, within bracket x square y square, close the bracket, plus 2 within bracket minus 2x, second row minus y equal to, first row minus 5, second row element 8. Then 11th one, if A equal to, within bracket 1, 9, second row 3, 4, third row 8 minus 3 and B equal to, first row 5, 7, second row 3, 3, third row 1, 0, then verify that A plus B equal to B plus A. Next one is a 12th question. If A equal to, within bracket 1, 8, 3, second row 3, 5, 0, third row 8, 7, 6, close the bracket, B equal to 8 minus 6 minus 4, second row 2, 11, minus 3, third row 0, 1, 5 and C equal to, within bracket 5, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 7, 2, third row 1, 4, 3, close the bracket, find the value of 3A plus 2B minus C. And then 13th question, if A equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 2, show that A square minus 5A plus 7I2 equal to 0. Okay students, do the following sums in your previous year classwork or rough note and do the sums and keep your note safely. Thank you. Exercise 3.18 is a fifth question. Given that A equal to 1, 3, 5 minus 1, B equal to 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, C equal to 1, 3, 2, minus 4, 1, 3, verify that A bracket B plus C equal to AB plus AC. So LHS and then RHS side to prove that the answer. First of all, LHS side. What is the LHS side given? A within bracket B plus C. A within bracket B plus C. So directly is not find out the value. First of all, within bracket term only find out. The next one, say A into B plus C. So first of all, write B plus C equal to B matrix and then C matrix elements 1 minus 1 2 3 5 2 plus C matrix elements 1 3 2 minus 4 1 3. Okay, this is addition of matrices. So order of the matrices equal means so directly add the corresponding elements. So what is the order? B matrix is a 2 rows and then 3 columns. This also 2 rows and 3 columns. The order of matrix are equal. So directly add the corresponding elements. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Then minus 1 plus 3 is a 2. 2 plus 2 4. 3 minus 4 is a big number sign, is a minus 1. 5 plus 1 6. 2 plus 3 is a 5. And the next step is a within bracket B plus C is a matrix into B plus C matrix elements. So what is the A matrix? 1 3 5 minus 1 into what is the B plus C matrix elements? 2 2 4 minus 1 6 5. Okay. So product of matrices means first row you multiply by first row and then first column elements, again first row, second column, first row, third column. Afterwards you continue the second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Okay, this method only followed. First one is the first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. So write down the element. First row 1 3 2 minus 1, first row 1 3, second column element 2 6, first row 1 3, third column 4 5. Okay, next you continue the second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. So write down the second row element 5 minus 1, first column 2 minus 1. Next second row 5 minus 1, second column 2 6, second row 5 minus 1, third column elements is a 4 5 and then close the bracket. So first row, first column, second column, third column. Then second row, first column, second column and then third column. Okay, this directly multiple the term. First row, first column, first element, then second element. First this side first element, second one and then second elements. Okay, then first multiple the term. 1 into 2, so 2. 1 minus 1, 3 into minus 1 is a minus 3. Next one, 1 2s are 2, 3 6 are plus 18. Next one, 1 4s are 4 plus 3 5s are 15. Next second row, 5 2s are 10. Minus 1 into minus 1, so minus into minus is a plus 1 only. Next one, 5 2s are 10. Minus 1 into 6, minus 6. Next one, 5 4s are 20. Minus 1 into 5 is a minus 5. Find out the answer. A within bracket B plus C equal to, what is the answer? First one is a 2 minus 3. It's a 3 is a big number. So minus 1. Next one, 2 plus 18, 20. 4 plus 15 is a 19. Next one, second row, 10 plus 1, 11. 10 minus 6, 4. 20 minus 5 is a 15. This is a LHS side answer. You can prove that RHS side AB plus AC. So RHS side, first step AB find out, second step is a AC, and the third step only if you add the both the terms AB plus AC. Okay, first step AB, see A matrix 1 3 5 minus 1 and then B matrix elements 1 minus 1 2 3 5 2. Okay, the same method product of matrices, first row, first column, second column, third column. Okay, write down the element first row, first row, second column, first row, third column. Again, second row, first column. Okay, write down the element. First row 1, 3, 1, 3, and then first row 1, 3, minus 1, 5. Next one 1, 3, 2, 2. Second row 5, minus 1, 1, 3, 5, minus 1, 5, 5, minus 1, 2, 2. Okay, first both the side also, first element, second one, first one, second one. We can multiply the term. 1 ones are 1 plus 3 threes are 9. Next one 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1. 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. Next one 1 2s are 2 plus 3 2s are 6. Next one 5 1s are 5. Minus 1 into 3 is a minus 3. 5 into minus 1 is a minus 5. Minus 1 into 5 is a minus 5. 5 2s are 10. Minus 1 into 2 is a minus 2. So write down the answer. AB equal to, what is the answer? 1 plus 9, 10. Minus 1 plus 15 is a 14. 2 plus 6, 8. 5 minus 3, 2. Minus 5 minus 5, same sign, you add the term, minus 10. 10 minus 2 is a 8. Okay, next step, find out the AC. A and C. What is the A matrix elements? 1, 3, 5, minus 1. C matrix 1, 3, 2, minus 4, 1, 3. Okay, the same method only for the first row, first column, second column, third column. So write down the elements. Okay, write 1, 3, 1, minus 4. First row 1, 3, 3, 1. First row 1, 3, 2, 3. Second row 5, minus 1, 1, minus 4. 5, minus 1, 3, 1. 5, minus 1, 2, 3. So multiple the terms. Okay, 1 ones are 1. 3 into minus 4 is a minus 12. Next one 1 3s are 3. 3 into 1 plus 3. 1 2s are 2. Next one 3 3s are 9. 5 into 1 is a 5. Minus 1 into minus 4 is a plus 4. 5 3s are 15. Minus 1 into 1 is a minus 1. 5 2s are 10. Minus 1 into 3 is a minus 3. So answer minus 11. Next one 3 plus 3 is a 6. And then 2 plus 9 is 11. 5 plus 4, 9. 15 minus 1, 14. 10 minus 3 is a 7. This one is a AC answer. Then write down AB plus AC. So what is the AB? 10, 14, 8, 2 minus 10, 8 plus AC minus 11, 6, 11, 9, 14, 7. So directly add the corresponding elements. 10 minus 11 is a minus 1. 14 plus 6 is a 20. 8 plus 11 is a 19. 2 plus 9, 11. Minus 10 plus 14 is a 4 only. So 8 plus 7, 15 is the second one answer. See the LHS and then RHS side. So LHS side minus 1, minus 1. First row 20, 19, minus 1, 20, 19. And then 11, second row 11, 4, 15. This also 11, 4, 15. So LHS equal to RHS, it is verified.